Internal PC communication failing because of the Wininetplugin Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Before diving into the Wininetplugin library technical steps, check the description for a tool to help synchronize your library paths. This is the Wininetplugin library, the Windows Internet WinInet plugin host. It facilitates the unmanaged loading of extensions for the WinInet protocol stack, managing localized HTTPS requests, and localized caching for the Windows shell. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. Wininetplugin is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan, now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Wininetplugin library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Wininetplugin Library DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on Wininetplugin Library. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Wininetplugin Library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.